Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Dennis Jimeno at ito po ang Dennis Jimenez Vlog TV. At for today's video guys, mag-unbox tayo ng Dewalt Drill Driver, Impact Driver Combo Kit. Ayan. So, check natin guys kung maganda ba ito. At syempre, of course, sa household, kailangan talaga natin to. So, tingnan natin guys kung gaano kaganda ito. At sabi nila, mismo doon sa Canadian Tire, this is one of the best kit na mabibili mo na hindi mahal. Ayan guys, napakaganda at may lalagyan ka pang bag. So let's go guys, check natin kung ano yung mga nasa loob nito. Okay? Let's go! Of course, pag open mo ng bag, makikita mo kagad yung Dewalt manuals and some warranties here. So yan, Dewalt. Okay, so tabi muna natin siya dito. At ano ba yung nasa loob nito? Okay. Meron siyang dalawang battery. Yan. Dewalt 20V max. At syempre, another battery. Yan. 20 watts. Oh, 20 volts. Yan. Beautiful. At syempre, here we go. Here's the bad boy. Oh man. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. So let's check natin guys kung okay ba siya. Kung gumagana ba siya guys. Check natin. Pasok natin siya. Okay. Oh man. Oh. Okay. Okay. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay. At syempre guys, meron siyang ilaw dito. Ayan. That's beautiful. Talagay mo natin siyang ganyan. Siyempre, ito yung drill. Ayan. Beautiful. Okay. Lagyan natin isang battery. Okay, lagyan natin to. Okay. Here we go. Amazing. Okay. That was beautiful. So here we go guys. Yan. Dewalt. So, I think makakagawa na ako ng mga projects nito. Okay. At syempre, I think every household kailangan ng tools talaga to make it easy yung lahat ng mga gagawin natin. Syempre, meron tayo diyang fast charger ng Dewalt fast charger. Ito. Alright. At yun lang. At syempre, dahil impact yung isa, pumili rin tayo ng maximum impact screwdriver. Yan. Drill set. Ito na yung binili natin instead of Dewalt dahil meron siyang I think this one is a lifetime warranty, yung maximum. And this one naman ay meron siyang 1 year warranty. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng receipt kapag nasira siya. So, kaya kailangan mo lang dalhin sa kanila yung piece na nasira. So, yun ang sabi nila. So, yun lang. Guys, maraming salamat po. At sana po ay, kung nagustuhan nyo po ang video na to, please consider subscribe my channel. At pakilikes na rin po. At pakishare na rin po. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.